Alright, what's going on, guys? So we are back with another video. I am going to do a time lapse again of taking this all the way down to the frame. As you can see, there's really not much left. But I got to get it down to frame and send the frame out to powder coat. So, you guys stay tight and we'll do a time lapse. Alright guys, I took the bike completely apart. Here's the tire and rim. I have it all on this table. The next step for me is getting this sent out because I know it's going to be a couple weeks for powder coat. I got the forks here. I went through the two totes. There's a tote there. There's a tote there. And it was just a bunch of junk plastics. At the seat, here's the engine I done. I went through and put all new hardware on it. It looks awesome. But yeah, I'm stoked to see how this is gonna turn out. This was also in the tote. I think it is a newer brake reservoir. I don't know. It looks like it's damaged. Okay. I'll see if I can use it. If not, I'll just have to order a new one. But let me know what you guys think about this. Peace. Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I have the YZ250